This is question 37, 42, 49, 52 in exercise 1.2 in Project Maths 2. We have to factorize each of the following. So we'll start with 37. We notice in 37 there are 4 terms and there is no common factor that will fit all 4 terms. But there are common factors that will fit certain pairings. So AC and BC both have a common factor of C, and BD and AD both have a common factor of D. So if we rearrange the way we've written this and group them together, we can see about getting common factors out for this. So we'll change this to rewrite to be AC plus BC plus AD plus BD. And now we can see from our first two here, they've got a common factor of C. So we got C, and then inside our bracket we're going to have A plus B. And from a second one, they've got a common factor of D. So we got D times A plus B. And now we can see that we've got the same thing in both of the brackets. So what we can do is we can write that over here by itself. A plus B times C plus D. Like that. And that's that expression fully factorized. Let's look to 42. And we'll have to do the same thing again. We're going to rearrange to start with in this one. So what we'll do is we'll group the terms with b's together and group the terms with 2's together. So when we rearrange this, we're going to get AB plus B plus 2A plus 2. And now from our first two, our common factor is going to be B. So we're going to have B times A plus 1. And from our second two, our common factor is going to be 2. So we're going to have 2 times A plus 1. And then we put the brackets together, so we get A plus 1, and then we can put what is outside the brackets together, B plus 2, like that. Now for 49 and 52, we're going to have to remove the brackets and rearrange before factorizing. So we're going to do the rearranging that we did for 37 and 42, but we've got to remove the brackets that are in the question first. So multiplying out the brackets to start with, our x squared won't change. When we multiply our brackets, we're going to get minus xa minus xb plus ab, like that. And then from here, we can factorize them out. So our first pairing between x squared and xa, we've got a common factor of x. So we're going to have x times x minus a. And from our second expression, we can take a common factor of plus b. And then inside we'll have minus x plus a. But you notice that we have the correct terms inside the brackets, but their signs don't quite match up. So what we can do to fix that is we don't do anything to the first one. But if we change this to a minus b, that will then change the signs of everything inside. So minus x becomes plus x, and plus a becomes minus a. And now our brackets match up. So we can have x minus a times x minus b, just like that. And now let's look to 52. So multiply out our brackets to start with. So we get a squared minus 2ax minus ay plus 2xy. And what we're going to do is we're going to group the a squared and the ay together, and the 2ax and the 2xy together. So a squared minus ay minus 2ax plus 2xy. From our first term here, we're going to take our first pair here. We're going to take out a. So it's going to be a times a minus y. And from the second ones, we're going to take 2x. So minus 2x times a minus y, like that. And now we can see that we have the same thing inside both the brackets. So we're going to have a minus y multiplied by a minus 2x, like that. And that is that.